Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 24th of May 2024. US Dow Jones fell 1.53, settled the day at 39,065.26 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,736.03, falling 0.39%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,620.10 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,807.92. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,952, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII bought 4,670.95 crores in the cash market in the last trading session. Most Indian MFs set to gain as Nvidia crosses $1,000 mark on yet another strong quarter. HCL Tech to acquire certain IP, R&D assets from HPE to bolster telecom engineering services business. Now talking about global aspects, the S&P Global US Manufacturing PMI went up to 50.9 in May, rebounding from 50 in April, and beating forecasts of 50. The S&P Global US Services PMI surged to 54.8 in May from 51.3 in the previous month, well above market expectations of 51.3. The number of people claiming unemployment benefits in the US fell by 8,000 to 215,000, below market expectations of 220,000. WTI fell 0.9% to $76.87 a barrel, a 3-month low, while Brent settled lower by 0.7% at $81.36 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 105. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.427%, down. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. The Indian benchmark indices achieved new record highs, with the Nifty reaching 22,993.60 and the Sensex climbs nearby to 75,500 mark, driven by the RBI's 2.1 lakh rupees crore dividend to the government. This substantial financial infusion is expected to generate positive macroeconomic effects, including a potential reduction in the fiscal deficit and an increase in infrastructure spending. Both indices closed the day on a strong note, with the Sensex at 75,418.04 and the Nifty at 22,967.65. Outlook for the day. In Nifty, on the upside short-term target is expected around 23,250, suggesting a bullish outlook beyond this retracement level. On the downside, the zone between 22,500 and 22,600 is identified as a crucial support level for the upcoming sessions. This support range is likely to provide a strong foundation, potentially halting any short-term declines. In Bank Nifty, on the downside, short-term support is expected around the 47,800 to 48,000 level for the upcoming sessions. The immediate support level is at 48,500, with 48,200 providing an additional cushion. A breakout above 49,000 could indicate a bullish trend, potentially driving the index towards the 49,500 and even the 49,800 levels. Stocks on radar are GRSE, Kochi Shipyard, Saregama, Sai, RVNL. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.